Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to talk about FibaFuse drywall tape and give you my honest opinion and the pros and cons of FibaFuse. And if you're new to the channel, my name's Paul and I've been a drywall and painting contractor for over 25 years. If you're looking to step up your drywall, texturing, or painting game, be sure to hit that subscribe button and also the bell notification to get alerted whenever I post a new video. I'm going to get into my favorite drywall tape, which is the FibaFuse. It just came out a few years ago. A lot of people still don't know about it. Let's see if you can see it. It's a fiberglass matte drywall tape, not a mesh, it's a matte. And it absorbs the joint compound really nice. It's easy to use. You can use it with hot mud or premix, which is nice. So if you're doing a big job like with new drywall, you can just go with this with the premix and not worry about the fuss or muss with mixing up the hot mud or quickset. Also, it's perfect for repairs. My last video I put out was a ceiling repair, and it just lays so flat. You don't have to worry about getting humps or bumps because it lays super flat. It's great for butt joints on new drywall, on remodels, and also when you do a repair, it's basically like 4 butt joints. So I love this stuff. Super strong. You can actually even sand through it. Not all the way the whole piece, but if you sand through it a little bit, it still keeps its strength because it bonds as one with the joint compound. So love the FibaFuse. Let's take a closer look at the FibaFuse drywall tape. Let me get a little closer to the camera so you can really see what we got going here. It's a fiberglass matte. It's not a fiberglass mesh. A lot of people get confused by the name Fiba, but it's FibaFuse drywall tape. Super strong. It lays super flat. Can you see how thin that is? And the reason it's strong is the compound actually kind of fuses as one to the mat. So love this stuff. It's better than the fiberglass mesh and better than the paper tape. So gets an A+ in my book. Here's the thing. The cons for the FibaFuse is it irritates you. It puts out fiberglass particles. So what you need to do is wear safety glasses or goggles with that, and also a 2-strap dust mask or sanding mask, because you don't want to breathe the particles that it puts out. It also irritates your skin and can make you itchy. I don't really have a problem with that, but a lot of people report that they have itchiness, irritated throat, itchy eyes, because if you put out the tape and then go touch your eyes or anything, you can get the particles in your eyes. So that's one of the downfalls with the FibaFuse. Definitely wear all your safety equipment and you'll be fine. Some people say I don't feel a thing. I can feel it in my throat sometimes, and if you touch your eyes, you're going to feel it in your eyes as well. So that's the only downfall with FibaFuse, is the itchiness and irritants that go along with it. But other than that, this is my favorite tape. Now, when I do this on a new install or a remodel that's got a bunch of sheets of drywall, I don't use it in the corners. I use the paper tape, again, just so I can get the nice crisp corner. Now, there's a drywall finisher painter named Sherry, and what she does is she uses the FibaFuse, but she actually uses a corner tool to go over the FibaFuse in the corners. So it creates its own line or crease with the corner tool. And you can use that on the fiberglass meshing corners, but I just like the paper tape. I guess I'm kind of old school on that one, but I get a perfect corner every time. Let me know in the comments if you guys use the corner tool for corners on FibaFuse or fiberglass mesh, or if you use the paper tape. And if you're new to the channel, my name's Paul, and I've been a drywall and painting contractor for over 20 years. If you're looking to step up your drywall, texturing, or painting game, be sure to hit that subscribe button in the center of the screen now to keep up with all my latest videos. Look me up on Twitter, Instagram, and Facebook. Thanks so much for watching.